Messaging on WhatsApp is simple and intuitive, designed for easy communication with friends, family, colleagues. So to start, open WhatsApp on your phone. Once inside, you're going to see a list of chats. Now to begin a new conversation, tap the Chats tab. Then select the chat icon at the top right of the screen. From there, you can either search for an existing contact or tap New Chat from to select a contact from your phone's contact list. So once you've selected the person that you want to message, the chat window will open, and then you're going to see a text input field at the bottom of the screen where you can type your message. After typing, after typing, tap the send button, the green arrow, okay, to deliver your message. So if you want to send media like photos, videos, documents, you got to tap the attachment icon, which is the paperclip, next to the text box. This is going to allow you to select from your photos gallery, camera, or file storage. You can also send voice messages by holding the microphone button next to the text box and speaking. So WhatsApp also supports emojis, stickers, and GIFs, which you can add to make your message more fun and more expressive.